I was gone for a bit, and apparently the tech world decided to lose its mind while I was away. Agents are everywhere, CEOs are predicting the end of work, Microsoft is doing Microsoft things, and somehow Notepad is now AI. So first agents, we had Claudebot, then Moltbot, then, no wait, OpenClaw? Yeah, that one. They even gave agents their own social media, which means we're officially reached peak humanity, doom scrolling Reddit, and becoming a Reddit mod. Truly inspirational, very human-like behavior. And in another plot twist to this crazy story, it seems like OpenClaw joined OpenAI? Damn. Then came the panic. Linus tried AI. What? We're doomed. Pack it up, it's over. Oh wait, he used it for a side project and to write some Python. Okay, false alarm. Developers, you may live another few months, but don't relax too much. Claude's main guy, the big boss himself, went to Davos and said, we're 6 months away from not needing developers.
I do the things around it. I don't know, we might be 6 to 12 months away from when the model is doing most, maybe all of what SWEs do end to end. And then it's a question of how fast does that loop close?
Agent works 24/7. They don't eat, they don't sleep, they don't get burned out. Clearly superior beings. Except, didn't he say the same thing a couple of years ago?
We are not far from a world, I think we'll be there in 3 to 6 months, where AI is writing 90% of the code. And then in 12 months, we may be in a world where AI is writing essentially all of the code.
Yeah, that's awkward. So maybe AGI isn't exactly around the corner, maybe we still have a very good years left. Still, start practicing farming just in case. Meanwhile, Microsoft is up again. Up doing Microsoft stuff. Want to use Notepad? Nope. Log into your Windows account. Doing something important. Black screen. Your PC is dead. Click the Windows button. You can click it. There's even a nice little animation, but the button doesn't open. Think of it as a stress relief button. You press it, it moves slightly, nothing happens. Amazing experience. Thanks, Microslop. And of course, Notepad is AI, Windows is AI, next up, File Explorer AI. Have you considered deleting your own files? Let me bang that, it's probably already announced. Everyone is buying RAM, and by everyone I mean every AI company on Earth. All that just so we can generate our little slop.
At the starting of the week, at Summit Talks, you'll hear them speak. It's only Monday.
Adorable. Oh, and Discord wants your ID now, because clearly they don't have enough personal data already. What could possibly go wrong? And that's just some of the chaos that happened while I was gone. From now on, we're switching to a bi-weekly format, starting today. So buckle up, and I'll see you in the next dimension.